Hello everybody. I haven't done a video in a while. I have been just enjoying time with loved ones, and I hope that you all have been too. I got some new paints from DecoArt Americana, and tonight I'm going to use Peony Pink, Napa Red, and Antique Gold. I also got Master's Touch Titanium White. And it's the first time I bought it, so I felt like I'm super professional now. And I'm totally not, because I just mixed my paints already before, and I think I put way too much white. But first I'm going to take this Payne's Gray and put it onto the canvas. Let me see if I could take this flash off. This one. And I'm going to pour over this fishbowl onto the canvas. Let's see. Just so that I have a little bit of work room, so that it'll flow a little better onto the vase, and so that there's a little bit more paint on the canvas. I really do think that I put way too much paint in the cup, but we will see. I actually got this fishbowl from the Good of the Will for not that much, like 20 cents. So I turned off the flash real quick to show you, because it is pretty bright. Now I'll turn it back on. All right, let's see. Hold on, I'm going to try to do something with my camera. I'll be right back. All right, wow, I'm back. I tried a different setting on my camera, so I'm just messing around with it. So this isn't the best quality video, but here we go. And I really hope that I didn't use too much white. There's a lot of white at the bottom of this cup, but so far it is really pretty. That's pretty cool. Really like this antique gold. Don't think it's gonna last in there, but that's all right. All right. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. I can't wait to put this canvas. All right, I'm gonna take it down. Show you. Wow. All right, I'm gonna pause this and be back. All right, so I think I got my camera a little bit better. I want to show you this before I move the fish bowl or whatever, but look at that. It is pretty. Although I think that I used a little too much white, I really like it. I don't know if I should torch it or... And of course, my torch hasn't been wanting to work, like, at all. So we'll save it, and we'll be back again. All right, we're back. And I keep pressing, like, stop record, so this video might be a little funky, but this is what we got. And let's make a canvas. You know, it takes me, I feel like it takes me so long to prep and get ready. It's not so much like all the work that needs to be done, but the motivation, like I am so ready to paint. But I don't know, I have like this little routine that I do before it, and it's so odd. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but I definitely do. That's cool. Wonder what color that is making that. It's probably the Napa red and the antique gold. All right. Got a big white patch right here, but bring this down a little bit. Move this over. Yeah, I already know before even editing this video is going to be odd. But thank you for being patient. It's giving me ideas for February colors. That's pretty cool. Excuse me. I decided to try to get a little bit different paint because I feel like I'm ready. I feel like I got the consistencies down. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got the consistencies down. Maybe not. I don't think that there's a perfect, but I think I got them a lot better than what I've had in the past. So I decided to try different brands of paint, like the DecoArt and the Master's Touch for the white. That stuff is really hard to work with. The Master's Touch for like mixing it up with the mediums with my Floetrol and stuff. It's thick, like super thick. If anybody has any like pointers for that, please let me know, because I was all sorts of confused. That's cool. That's looking cool. I got that nice little white patch there. Try to... I don't even know what to do with it. I know some paint needs to run off because there's a lot. But yeah, that looks nice. Yes, yes it does. Maybe I'll just shimmy it down. I don't know. I just know I need to get some of this paint off. Alright, I said some, not all. Alright. Let's see. I'm getting the whole bottom of this canvas. Gross. Nice. That's what's up. I like it. Yes, yes I do. Sides look good. Sweet. I think I would like it most this way. Alright, this time I'm going to hit the pause button. Be right back. Alright. Cool, 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 cool. Got a couple things to touch up on the sides. Alright. See if my handy dandy torch will work. Lots of tiny bubbles. Oh, that's cool. Maybe get some paint paint to show up in there. I'll bring it this way. Sorry for the glare. There. Oh no. It's about time for a new one anyway. Alright, I had to do that off camera. But anyhow, that is super cute. Let's see. Yep. Maybe I should just take the camera down. Alright. Here we go. It's the right corner, bottom corner. I really like that. I really like that antique gold, and I do believe it's that Napa red that makes this right here so pretty. And here's that vase. It's turning out good. I like it. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. See ya later.